Hi guys, Billy is here. It's bonfire night! Woo! So I've got Charlie, Poppy, Isaac!
Isaac and Isabella.
Poppy! No. Shut up. Isaac, come and introduce yourself. You haven't been in one of mine. Oh yeah, you have actually.
Smoke weed.
And look at the sparklers.
Isabella, introduce yourself.
Wait, look on the camera. I think you guys can actually see it. I'm breathing fire. Hey! Right, you do it. Who's gonna be fire? Isaac, you do it. Can't see. Who's gonna do it?
Me. I'll do it.
I'll do it.
Charlie, I can see Charlie do it. Yeah, you can see Charlie do it.
Guys.
Actually, that we've already done. Yeah, the sparklers down there that we've already done. There's some down here that Isaac threw. Yeah, there's one there.
Isaac threw one. No, Isaac down.
So I'm at my nan.
It's bait.
I know. I'm at my nana's. I haven't been at my nana's to do a video before.
Gonna blow up the pumpkin.
So yeah, I'm not gonna blow up the pumpkin. That'll be part 2 of Bonfire Night though. Or part 3.
Look.
What?
Smoke weed.
Here's the YouTuber.
I never knew that.
Right. So these are fireworks. He's
Are we doing another fire? Are we doing a firework?
Introduce yourself.
And I've got Isabella. And Megan.
But I'm just weird, so
Poppy!
stand at me.
Shut up. There. There's bikes in there.
I've got
Big fire. Pumpkin! Hi, Mr. Pumpkin. We're going to blow you up after. Look, it's breathing fire.
There's literally fireworks right now. Daddy?
Yeah, I'm going to film the fireworks that are up there. If there's any fireworks going on. Moon!
Leave me out of it.
Car just started up.
Alright. Right. Whoa! Oh, is Molly out?
Money.
No, she's inside. Oh. Shut it. I'm at my nana's because I have not done a video at my nana's before. Beefy! Yeah, where?
Come on.
No, I'm staying. Oh! Baby Rafe here. It's Baby Rafe. There's Baby Rafe. Oh, that's Charlie. Charlie, get up. Baby Rafe. It's Baby Boris. Hi, Rafe.
Well, you pick one of the selfies with him and
Hi. I'm going outside. I can. Oh, firework just went off.
Where?
I'll see it.
Billy, it was just like
Didn't zoom in. Oh. Yep, there's one.
Keep filming there.
I'm literally just looking around the place. Where are they? Right, get back over here.
get back over.
Right, I'm sitting on the bench.
Stay back. Stay back.
Get back. This is cold. My hands are cold even though I've got gloves on.
Right, it's
I've
gonna go
got
up
a
at
big
any
hat
minute now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Keep me safe.
Okay, stop being
But where can you sit here?
Rafi!
Not on
Do you want to come sit here?
No, don't stand up.
Rafi! Oh, Poppy!
See what you can't fit, Poppy.
Can
Right,
I sit
budget.
somewhere?
No, Rafe, come sit here. Rafe! Rafi, do you want to come sit here?
Where to sit?
Sit on that bench.
No.
Scared, it's gonna go off at any moment now.
Where? Charizard, I'm Mega Charizard X.
Cover your ears.
Right, at Tesco, I saw the 3-pack ones. Why is it doing that?
I don't know.
Right, I saw the 3-pack Pokemon
Why
packs,
is
and
it
they were
doing
all
that?
boost breakthroughs, and it probably had Mega Mewtwo, but I didn't get it, so. Don't forget to like and subscribe to me. I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye.
Did that actually?
Bye.